Let me start with a question. How many of us in the last year have felt like the technology around us is moving faster than our ability to understand it, let alone use it? If that is, you are not alone. And that is exactly why we are here. Today, we gather around a theme that is both timely and transformative. Future Ready Philippines, navigating AI, industry disruption, and the skills revolution. This theme reflects three realities that every business leader must confront today. First, artificial intelligence is already transforming the way businesses operate, compete, and create value. From customer engagement and operations to decision making and innovation, AI is reshaping industries in real time. Second, industry disruption is accelerating across every sector, whether in manufacturing, tourism, logistics, retail, healthcare, education, financial services, or the creative economy. Businesses are facing shifts driven by technology, changing consumer behavior, and global competition. And third, our biggest competitive advantage will always still be people. Not machines, not platforms, not software alone, but people. People with the right skills, people with the right mindset, people can adapt, learn, and relearn as the world changes. These are not future possibilities. These are today's realities. And they raise an important question. Are we all ready? Are our businesses prepared to leverage emerging technologies rather than be disrupted by them? Are we equipping our workforce with the skills needed to thrive in a digital economy? Are we building an ecosystem where innovation becomes accessible not only to large corporations but also to MSMEs, startups, and local enterprises that form the backbone of our economy? These are the conversations we hope to advance and discuss today. This forum is the second of our four defining conversations that make up Cebu Business Month 2026. 2 weeks ago, we opened this year's CBM with the Investment and Entrepreneurship Summit, a conversation about where opportunity is moving and how Cebu positions itself to capture it. Today, we ask the next question in the same conversation. Are we building as business community with the speed, tools, and talent that this emerging world demands? Technology and innovation are no longer optional extras. They are now core to being competitiveness for the largest enterprise to the smallest sari-sari store alike. The businesses that will lead the next decade will not necessarily be the biggest today. They will be the ones that learn early, and deliberately how to put new tools to practical use. This is the spirit behind today's forum. Our goal is not to overwhelm you all with buzzwords. It is to demystify, to move the past noise around artificial intelligence and digital transformation and get to what actually matters. Real, practical applications that MSMEs, startups, and industry leaders can put to work. More than understanding technology, our goal is to understand how technology can create real value. More than discussing disruption, our goal is to identify opportunities. More than talking about the future, our goal is to prepare for it. Throughout the day, we will explore practical applications of artificial intelligence, digital transformation, emerging technology trends, cybersecurity, smart systems, clean technologies, and the evolving skills landscape that will define the future of work. We will look honestly at the questions many of us are asking. What does AI mean for jobs? What does it mean for skills? How do we train the next generation of our workforce? How do we help businesses adapt technology regardless of where they are starting from? Because becoming future ready is not simply about adopting new tools. It is about developing the mindset, capabilities, and partnerships necessary to thrive in a rapidly changing world.